Hey everyone, welcome to the Trading Toolx platform. This is exclusive video for paid members. So many people are confused with lots of red and green color here. So I'm gonna teach the strategy that you can use to gain consistent profit. So first I will cover the basic of this video. This part is the Nifty signal. This part is the Bank Nifty signal. This white color line is the Nifty future price chart. And this white color line is the Bank Nifty future price chart. This yellow color line is the global index, combination of Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, Nikkei, Hang Seng, FTSE 100 and two more global index. So mostly our Nifty is following the global market. So I will cover this after explaining everything. So in the bottom part we are seeing the call and put IV for Bank Nifty. The green color is the put IV. The red color, orange color is the call IV. And this green color line is the put open interest. And this red color is the call open interest. Likewise it is same for the Nifty in the top side. So now let us look at the strategy. So please pause this video and read this. So this is the correct time for doing the option buying. That is for example, let us consider the Bank Nifty options now, call option now. First thing we should look at is the IV. If the IV is at the bottom, that means mostly when you see here, whenever the IV is bottom, it is bouncing up. Here it is bottom, it is bouncing up. Here is bottom, it is bouncing up. So this is the correct, whenever it is bottom, if your call IV is in bottom and if you are buying the call option with all other signals, you can get some good profit. Let me show some example. So first to read all the 5 points. So call IV should be at the bottom. And the global market should be going up more compared to our future price. That is, this yellow color line is the global market price. When you are planning to buy the call option, this yellow color line should have gone up and our Nifty price should be in the bottom. So what happens actually is when there is a huge divergence between the global price and the Nifty price, when we get the green signal, our Nifty also will go towards the yellow color line. So that is the second point to remember. Third point is, after the global market has considerably gone up, we should wait for the green signal in the scalper tool. And the option CE option buying is very better when we are doing after there is some small downtrend or a big downtrend. Right now there is big downtrend. So this time if you are looking at some opportunity in the call option, it would be good. So and another point is, the future price should be flatter little uptrend. So for example, this future price is in downtrend. You can clearly see it is falling. So it is not a good time to do option buying in the call. We can do option buying when it is in flatter going upward. That is this situation. Here the price is flat, or if the price is going up, this is good time to buy call option. I will show some live example as well. But here we are avoiding because the IV is already in the top. So this is not the good time for doing option buying. So please pause this video and read everything, and whatever it is for put option, you just do the reverse. So here the put IV should be in the bottom and the global market should be going down compared to our future price. There should be red signal in the scalper tool, and after some big or small uptrend, you can do the option PE option buying, and the future price should be flatter, little bit downtrend. So these are all the condition for the PE option buying. So for option selling, only thing that is different is the CE IV should be at the top and put IV should be on the top. So always remember, if you're doing option buying, the IV should be in the bottom, and whenever you are doing option selling, the IV should be on the top side. So right now the IV is in the top, so it is good for option selling, because anytime the IV is crashing, it will give some good profit for the option sellers. Now let us look at some strategy with the live call and put option. Here is one example. The global market yellow line is already down, so we are buying put option at 352 as soon as we saw that first red color. So the 352 immediately it came to 361. So that is because the IV is increasing. So as long as the IV is increasing, that is the bottom Bank Nifty put option green color IV line, as long as it is in uptrend, you can hold on to this put option. So you can see from 353 it came to 363, around 10 points profit. Even though we get the green, the put option is still in the uptrend, so we can hold on to it and trail the profit. So you can see it came to 364, 365. Now this is where you should be very careful, because the IV has increased a lot, so it may crash anytime. So we can book the profit at 366. Now if you see the bottom, the IV is increased a lot, so we can do option selling to make use of the IV crash. Also the global color, yellow color line, the global index is going up, so we can sell the put option at 367 as soon as we saw the green color. So we can see the 367 immediately came to 360. That is the power of IV crash. So as soon as we see red color, here we book the profit from 367 to 350, 359. That is around 8 points. If you are quick enough, you could have also brought the put option. You can see from 359 again it came to 367 as soon as we get the red color. Now if you look at the yellow color, global color index price, it is going up, so we could have brought the call option at 335 as soon as we saw the green color in the scalper tool. So the price is keep on going. As long as there is a green color, you can hold on to this position confidently. So it is at 338 now. It reached 340, but if you see the global market, it is making the top and it is falling down. So as soon as you see the red color, we can book the profit. So here we can book the profit. Or sometimes if you want to do long-term trading, you can hold longer, because the previous low in the Nifty and Bank Nifty is not broken yet. So until that is broken, you can trade. You can keep on trailing. You bought at 335, so you can trail, like if it is reaching 338, you can book the profit, something like that. So you can hold on to a little longer as long as we are seeing the green color in the market in the majority trend. So majority is green color, so you can hold on to it. Another one reason to hold this call option is, if you see the bottom call option IV, that is orange color, we can see it's already crashed, and it is fell down already, and it is starting to increase. So when the IV is increasing like this, the premium will not drop that much. So that is another reason that you can hold on to your call option. So you can keep some trailing stop loss like 338. If it touches 338, you can book the profit, else you can hold longer. So some people feel like the scalping in the 3 or 30 seconds or 40 seconds is too little. They can trail the profit and hold on to it. So another thing to notice is the straight line in the Bank Nifty and Nifty chart. If the line is straight like this, that can be considered as accumulation. This also will move the price up. You can see the price is going up, and our call option also reached around 343 like that, and it reached 344, and it is better to book the profit now, because if you see the orange color call IV line, that is falling, that is crashing. So if the IV is crashing, even when the market goes up, we won't get much profit. So it is better to book the profit now. So yeah, that's it guys. Please keep practicing. If you're just new trader for 1 or 2 days, it will be very confusing, because you are seeing lots of red and green. You just try to concentrate the line chart, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty line chart and global yellow color line. So after 2 or 3 days, you do only paper trading. Once you are trying to predict, if you are predicting the market correctly, after that do it 1 or 2 lots. After consistent profit, you can increase your lot size. Also, don't try to take the entry every time, like every minute. Don't try to take the entry. So if there is opportunity, clearly your mind will tell, like once you are seeing this tool for 2 or 3 days, whenever there is up move, you can feel that up move before it is happening. So it comes only with the more you look at the screen, the more accuracy in the detection of the market direction you will get. So yeah, that's it guys. And like I told, you can see the IV is crashing like anything. Bank Nifty has moved up 20-30 points, but still the call option is trading at 343, 344 like that, which we saw before 40 seconds. So this is where the option buyer lose money. They think that the market is going up and they are buying the call option, but they are not even getting 1 points. That is because the IV is crashing and they are buying the call option in the wrong time. So the IV is very important according to me. You can see it reached 338 immediately because of the IV crash. So try also while watching this tool, look at the call option price and the IV chart. Once you master the IV, like 80% you will be a successful trader. And if you have done short strangles, that is selling the put option and call option, we could have easily got 15 points without any risk, because the put option has crashed around 15 points and the call option is still at 343. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. If any doubt, please feel free to contact me in WhatsApp. Thank you.